Across industries, manufacturers are facing increasing pressure. Skilled labor is becoming scarce, while production costs continue to rise. At the same time, many handling operations are too versatile and complex for traditional automation. But rule-based automation is no longer the only option. Physical AI is transforming manufacturing. Robots can learn complex manipulation tasks directly from human demonstrations. Physically accurate simulation and synthetic data generation overcome data limitations and enable faster, more robust model training. Ultimately, the next generation of automation is born in simulation and working reality. SCHUNK brings physical AI into industrial applications, covering the full journey from opportunity identification to technical proof of concept to implementation. We combine global expertise and infrastructure to bring physical AI to life in your factory. Connect with SCHUNK experts at one of 15 co-labs worldwide and take your automation to the next level.